Alright, so you have one of these white plastic valves and you want to know how to remove it. Well, I'm Gary with Ultra Plumbing and I'm going to explain how to do it. The first thing you're going to do is shut off the water and drain the water lines. Then disconnect the supply line that's connected to the plastic angle stop. Then you want to just grab the plastic angle stop and start rotating it while pulling at the same time, like so. And there you have it. That's how you remove a plastic angle stop valve. Now after you remove the plastic valve, you might be left with this metal ring still on the pipe. So to remove that, just kind of grab it around the perimeter with some channel locks while kind of bending and pulling it off. With some tenacity, you'll get the metal ring off as well. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a like. And you should subscribe to our channel because we make videos sharing helpful tips like this all the time. But thanks for watching.